Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Power Platform series wherein we are learning Power Platform from basics to advanced. In this video, we'll cover a very small topic related to loading data into Power BI application. The Power BI application which we are going to use is a desktop application. And do not worry if you do not have desktop application on your machine. You can just Google it. Just open Google and type Power BI desktop application. First link will be open up from Microsoft. You can open that link and download the Power BI application. Otherwise, I have a direct link available to download the Microsoft Power BI desktop application. I can paste that link into the description of this video. You can go there and download the desktop application on your end as well. And we are going to use a sample data, which is this one. So I'll tell you a little bit about the sample data. So we have approx 64,000 rows here. Okay. And there are multiple schools wherein schools scores were targeted, and it was targeted for different grade, different years, different categories, male or female. Okay. Many number of students has test, what were their scores, what is the average score as well. Okay. So these are the schools list, these are the grades information, these are year information, these are categories and everything. And the next sheet is related to school ratings, that what school rated out of from 5 to 1 or 4, or what was the school rated out of. So these ratings are mentioned here. And we also have the code name. PBN is basically the code name of the school name. Like 01M015 is basically the school, this one, Roberto Clemente. So Clemente is the school, and the school got 1 rating, which is actually very bad. Then we have 19, and 19 is what? If I scroll down, okay, let's scroll down a bit. Is Ashley Larry. It's second rated, which is actually good. I mean, not that good, but it's okay types. Okay. So this is the Excel sheet which we are going to use. And I will also share this Excel sheet link in the description video. You can just go there and download it. So now this is our desktop application. So for the first time user, if you are opening the desktop application, it may look different at your end. You will see some pop-ups and everything. So you can just close that, and you may see like this. Okay, like I am seeing right now, or it may be like this, wherein you have multiple options on top. But do not worry. The first thing what you need to do is just click on blank report. When you click on blank report, it will open up the same page like me. Okay. And main thing starts now. What we need to do is we just need to load data into this Power BI application. So there are two places from where I can upload the Excel sheet directly. I have this Excel workbook. I can select this. Okay. And it will open up wherein I can just upload the file or select the file and then load that file into Power BI application. Okay. Let me click that for you. So I just click that, it's opening up. So I'll just quickly pause the video till it's opened up. All right. So the upload window has popped up, and in downloads, I have this NYC math code file. Okay. And if I want to load this file into Power Open, file will start loading into Power BI application. It will open up a load window. And if I have other source of file which I want to load into Power BI application, I can do that. That I just need to click on get data, show me all the options which is available for me to select and upload the sort of data. All right, so our Excel data is now loaded into Power BI application. So it's basically the navigator pane wherein we just need to navigate to our data, and then it will allow us to load data in actual Power BI. So now you can see that we have school rating and scores and score one and two. So you can first two, you can ignore them because they are just showing the same information which we have in here, because these are two the real one rating and score. You can also verify it from the Excel file as well. So in Excel file, we have two sheets, Excel scores and then ratings. You see scores and rating. These are only two sheets available. Okay. So you can ignore the first two. So let's just select these two here, school ratings and score. Now you can see that we have two options, load and transform data. When you click on transform data, it will load in a different window altogether. So that will be called a Power Query Editor. We'll soon learn that Power Query Editor in the later videos as we progress. But this time we'll only use the load data, the very first and simple thing. Okay. So I will click on load. The data will start loading and it will show up in this data section here. Okay. So you can see that the query is processing. So it will take a little bit of time. Okay. I think it's loaded. It will show up on the right hand side in data section. Okay. So I'll just quickly pause the video till the data loads. All right. So the data is loaded on the right hand side. You can see school ratings are there and scores are also there. By using the ratings, we can create visualizations, we can create charts, we can do anything we like. Okay, we can create donut charts, we can we can side by side charts, everything we can do with this data. Okay, and we use this Excel workbook. So likewise, we have this get data option where we have multiple inputs available. So we can select any type of input, and then once we are done, so we can just select the data type and upload the data. That's it. Okay. So in the next video, we'll cover up the transform data function, which we were seeing while uploading the Excel file into Power BI. There was load and transform data. So stay tuned, and in the next video, we'll cover up the transform data. Okay. So I hope you like the video. If you do, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.